Climb inside the 2015 Nissan Versa Note. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Nissan paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: a rear window wiper, a tachometer, a trip computer, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.